I got this motherfucker feeding the dog high. Check him out. Hi, man, feed the dog high. He is in there with the fucking dog. Look at him. I thought he was gonna do it the wrong way, dump the shit over the damn thing. But check him out. Check him out. He about to freeze. That bitch about to freeze his ass out again. Ooh. Okay, check him out. Watch you do some crazy shit. Watch him take off. Watch him take off. Oh my God.